Okay guys, here we go. This is the second video. In the first video we saw a bit of a little bit of what you can do and how does it work. Okay, basically you bring your vehicle, not in this case, okay, in the editor, and as there's too much stuff here, it's much better if you move the building, move your vehicle you wanna test, and then move your character, go there and test. Otherwise, let's say you are in a mission, you have your building in some place, you go to with your vehicle close to it, you don't need to disembark. Okay, let me just show you for sake of showing. Okay, let's say I have my vehicle, I get closer to the building, here I am, just a regular driver, I get to, oh, you see an action and I click it. Okay, now my vehicle has been tuned, right? Okay, we saw that already on the first video. But now I gonna show you quickly, but briefly I'd say, but in the best way I can, whether you wanna change it or if you want to add something to these things, right? The most important in case of, I believe you guys all know, but every vehicle has its own class. You see that C tractor, IE truck, and so on. If you don't want to copy that to use, for instance, let's say you start a new mission, okay, and let's randomly choose a car, this truck here, right? Do I have something work over him or not? What you do, you go right here, log classes to clipboard. So what does it do? Now if I go, excuse me, to a test editor, I recommend Notepad. This use a little dump I have here. If you go Ctrl V and paste it, here you go, that's the reference to that vehicle you want to try. Okay, so how do I know whether it has something for it or not? I will go in one of those three files, searcher water or searcher alternative or searcher smoke, providing please note that searcher smoke is the one which have much more options than others. Okay, in this case, as it is a truck, we can just exclude searcher water. This is not here. Okay, search water is this for now is just for those two classes of bolts. So let's see searcher smoke. Let's search for those words. Find. Okay, no, I don't have that truck in this file. Do I have here? Maybe. Also no. Okay, several times I have that vehicle working in the code, but not that variation you're trying. Okay, for instance, here I give you an example. A heavy machine gun prowler, you see that, and an armored prowler, you see that. Okay, but I don't have the AT prowler. So for instance, right click, log classes to clipboard, let's search for this guy. Let's see. Okay, here we go. You see I have these prowlers here. This one is the unarmed, this one armed with the machine gun. But let's see now if I have maybe I have for a vehicle the AT maybe, yes, not, okay. This I don't have things for this vehicle except that it can be transported in this black field. So log classes to clipboard, let's go back here, let's search for it. Okay, I don't have, right? I believe this is the quickest, forgive me, way whether you want to discover if a vehicle you want to change has some script for it or not. Let's take it for instance, anything. Oh, this truck here, the Zamak Water. Remember that the other truck I tried a few moments ago didn't have anything for it. Let's see this one, the water truck. right click, log classes to clipboard, go to one of our files, search smoker, sorry. Let's try and search for that class. Oh, here we go. Okay, well, what did I show you this? You can see these files, there is nothing encrypted or obscured or whatever. You can change them however you want. Okay, it's up to you. But just a few basic points that I want to make a note here, so you can, I think I mentioned them prior to in the earlier video. If you change something in the map, let's say here I don't want this building be called Searcher Smoke. I want to build main garage. Okay, that's what I want. So I know, and whenever I see main garage is my index for changes. Can I just use it like this? No, because it won't show you anything. Now I gotta come here in the place that was Searcher Smoke. I have to name it main garage. Okay, don't change the other things. Oh, over here you can change as well. It's which action you show to the players when you go close to it. For instance, hello world, of course, why not? So the building main garage will show you this action when you go to play. Let's see if that's right. Okay, oh, this is other thing, no worries. What did I do wrong? I think I do wrong. Oh, that's shit. Excuse me guys, my mistake. I forgot this line here. Let's restart. So now it's gonna show. Here we go. I look at this. Did I forgot to change it? Of course, excuse me, I forgot to click OK. Main garage, here we go. Now it should work. Come on. Alright, hello world, here we go. And once I click it, the closest things get tuned. Right? Well, that's the first point. So, again, if you wanna change the variable names, it's up to you. Use whatever you want. Just remember to change them here, okay? Can you change this craziness that probably don't mean anything to you? Yes, you can, but here we go. These are the files that the index searcher will look into to execute the change, okay? So in this case, the main garage will show the action hello world, and once you click that action, it will search for this file inside. Why do I have these folders here? There we go. Here is our main folder of the mission. Then look at here, code scripts, and it will look searcher smoke. Where is this file? Searcher smoke. Here we go. Okay, do you want to change it to whatever name of the file you want? It's up to you. Okay, let's say main garage. No problem, you can change it here, but remember, please, you gotta change the whole name here as well, right? Okay, this init.sqf file or description.ext, no problem, you already understand that. Now here are the three menus, okay, the three real contents. Once you open any of these searcher files, I try to let here a little tutorial. Is the same on all of them, okay? Any of them has the same explanations, only changing the names, of course, the name of the files and the name of the stuff. What do you have here? See, I use the water that have less stuff for now. Oh, too less. Let's see this one. Okay. Here you can see these are the classes or the actual names of each vehicle that will be available or will be under the influence of the script changes. So these at the right on pink, you see on the center right here, are the actual class, the vehicle that you use through this option. Right click, log classes to clipboard. Okay, let's say I wanna Azamach repair. I don't have this truck on the script, so right click, log classes to clipboard. Okay, I go back to my searcher. I can do a search here if I want. Let's see if I have the vehicle already. No. So what I can do, maybe I have to see these names I gave. These are completed out of my head. They don't mean anything except that I know what they're there for. So you don't like maybe the Huron classes, regardless. You don't have to use the Huron, not even the classes. Okay, give these variables the name you want, if you will. Helicopter big, no problem at all. Still, the most important is that you have to know that in this array, okay, these classes, these are the vehicles belonging to that class. For instance, here are the Prowler class. Again, this name has to be this one? No, it can be whatever you want. But now you are telling the script that inside these classes there is this array of so many vehicles that will be considered of the family Prowler classes. Okay, so that is the first part. You can either add a vehicle to one existing class, okay, or create a class of your own. Let's say I want to create a new class for that Zamach truck we have here. Okay, again, let's click it, log class. I don't have a Zamach. Oh, I have a Zamach here, but it's the artillery truck, the MRL. Okay, so what can I do here? New line, underline Zamach new classes. Okay, space equals to space, open bracket, open quotes. Now you paste that whole log from you got there. Here we go. That's the name of your truck. Now close quotes and close brackets and semicolon. Okay, semicolon. Forgive me. Let's say I wanna add another kind of Zamach here. Let's say this transport truck. Again, log classes to clipboard. Over here I add common space. Space is optional, I use because it's better looking. Again, open brackets, open quotes, paste the other truck and close quotes. Okay, the only things you have to take care here, always finish with this character. Regardless you have a single vehicle or several, you have to be between the brackets, and whether you have more than one vehicle, use a character between them. Okay, here we go. Now we have the Zamach new classes, but the script here, it doesn't like to do with arrays, so we need first to get these classes inside another category. In this case, I separate here vehicle classes, helicopter classes, and VTOL classes. Please notice, even regardless name here, it doesn't have nothing to do with here. Okay, again, these names, it's up to you. You can choose it here whatever you want. But In this case, to better organize, what can I do? I have to take this new family, I create here this new array, and choose a place to put it on. Is a VTOL? No. It's an helicopter? No. It's a vehicle. So what did I do? I go to the end of the array, or even the start, no problem. See, let's copy it, Ctrl C, let's go here, Ctrl V, space, plus space, okay? Now I'm telling that this family, I'm telling the script that this family will be also recognized as a vehicle class, right? Done. Same thing, if you don't want that this searcher use a script upon some kind of vehicle, you can either remove it from here, okay? Let's say I don't want this kind of Rhino to be affected. Done. Save it, it's done, right? You don't need to mess anything else. Just remove here. The other thing you can keep if you want. Just let me here so I don't get anything screwed. Okay, right, we add a new class, we add the new family here. Now I have to, the other things are ready. Okay, what do I do here? I say the nearby vehicles are the ones close to the player which belong to the vehicle classes. Same thing here, the nearby choppers are the ones close to the player which belong to helicopter classes, and so on. Now we create another section of our script. What we are telling to the script, if now it goes search for what, now it happens when I click in the action on the building. For instance, I go here, delete here, okay, if I go close to this building, the main garage, and click the action on it, main garage, it will search the vehicle closest to the player. That's what I tell in the other video. Avoid using like this because it can get messy, too many vehicles, so you move a little bit, make it farther away, okay. Then when I click in main garage, over here, hello world, right, you see nothing happens. When I click this action, it will search the closest vehicles and see in which of these categories it is. In this case it's a prowler, a panther. Where are the panthers? Panthers are here. I led in the bobcat classes, okay, here they are. This is the panther name in the game. Bobcat classes is in vehicle classes, okay, here it is. And vehicle classes is in the array of nearby vehicles. So in this part, what is happening? I am telling that every time the game finds a vehicle class, if it belongs to the bobcat classes, we telling over here, it will have to search for this specific file, right? That's why we have so many files in this folder. I believe there are almost 100 files. Let's see, 80 files, and some are missing still. Okay, so what happens? See, the vehicle closest to the player is in bobcat classes, it will execute this file here, bobcat oficina, which is garage in Portuguese, Brazilian Portuguese. And so here you go, gamers, bobcat oficina, where are you? Bobcat oficina. So it will make all of that stuff upon that vehicle, right? Again, I am not good at programming. I am not a programmer. I am very rookie, very amateur. All of this I could do thanks to help on the very savvy guys on Bohemian forums. Quicksilver for Invade NX framework gave me a lot of help, and ChatGPT. Okay, so all of this is quite easy to understand once you get the point. Maybe you don't understand what's going on here. Just grab this bunch of code here and throw in ChatGPT. It will tell you right away what does it do. Okay, but here we go. Now that we are inside that specific file for that specific array of vehicles, over here as well I have to give it a little tip of what I wanted to search, right? If I put a vehicle in this array, okay, in this families, whatever, if I put this, but it is not here, it will not work. Also, maybe you change some stuff. Make sure you have the right families here, the right kind of vehicles, right? So whether it's a helicopter, it gotta be a helicopter, and so on. Let's say it's a key. Oh, here we go, helicopter, right? Otherwise, you can have the right name here, but it won't do anything because your kind of vehicle is not here. Okay, here you take a look, you can see all the changes that are getting done on the vehicle. So let's show you initially here. Here is our Panther. Okay, just a little, oh, this is no fun at all. Excuse me, let me show you on the other garage that's much cooler than this, as far as I remember. Okay, let's go here, let's go here, let's go there, and the other one. Come here. Let's use this, it gets much more badass. Here it goes, Bobcat or Panther. Let's use Panther so you can see that's not only the Bobcat. Play scenario. Okay, pimp closes right. Oh, here we go. Take a look at this. Okay, so much stuff. As I told you, you have so many surprises you have to get on, and everything works here, right? If you are injured, you can get fixed here. You can get ammunition launchers. You can use these guns. Okay, have fun. If you don't have that mode, enhanced movement, you can climb these ladders. It's fully working. Okay, you can use these weapons over here. You have those automated turrets. See, missile. Oh man, I'm sorry, missile launcher. Damn it. Here we go. Okay, you have AT and AA. Oh, let's get inside. The commander has shit. Commander have some better weapons, maybe? No, but the gunner has. Alright. Yes. Take a look at this. Okay, and again, it changes for several, but there is more. This one. Bobcat does have it, the Slammer get different weapons. Again, test it for yourself, you will have a lot of fun. I can guarantee you that. Some of the vehicles get a turbo as well, some not. Okay, let's say I don't want some of this stuff. I don't want these lamps, I don't want the leather, I don't want this medikit, so I have to search for here, right? So I don't want everything that I delete here. I can either delete or I can just click and block comment. Okay, so in Notepad++, for instance, let's select several stuff regardless what, and oops, sorry. Okay, a lot of stuff here. Block it, save it. Now if we restart the mission, shit, sorry, my bad. Okay, let's play. Now if I see, those stuff that's blocked no longer is here. So it's up to you. Do you think it's too much? Don't want that all that shit on your vehicle? No problem. Just block it or delete it. It's up to you. Have fun. It's everything here. Change whatever you want. Test it. Have fun. Mess it a little bit. Duplicate. It's up to you. Okay. For every single command you have the wiki, so just take the command here, the command line, go to the wiki. Let's say here, for instance, arma 3, and oops, what did I do? Arma 3 create vehicle. Let's see what happens. Here we go, create vehicle, and you can take all your doubts here, right? Again, have fun trying stuff. Let's return. That's what I want to show you. All the three buildings have the specific file, the specific menu. Let's say the searcher. That's why I kept that name, except for the one that I changed it, of course. Let's see if I can change it back. Oh, no problem. Search alternative. You find all your files. Search smoke. Okay, which I think yes. And search water. All of them have a brief explanation inside, so you don't get lost if you don't understand something, and you can change it however you want. Let's get back here so I don't get lost later. Let's see if I forgot something. I think not. I think you might have. Oh, okay. That's more important thing. You know now which one are the most important things. You can change whatever you want. Searcher smoke, and you can do whatever you want. Okay, just everything you change something, try and search whether it has related stuff inside it or not, inside the files or not. Just with, I think I again gave you a quick brief on this blackfish. For instance, you get hit, activation blackfish. Okay, let's see, are you active or not? Let's see. No, what are I doing wrong? I think I have the wrong plane here. Oh, it doesn't belong to this garage. Sorry, let me show that one. Let's see the blackfish. Okay. Please work. Alright, here we go. Yes, it's messy. It's to show that it is messy. So now we have what are the options? Here we go. Night flares, of course. And let's see why is only refuel. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I could not still avoid that. Once you click refuel, it will search the fuel pods nearby and attach it to the vehicle. As I had two of them here, it attached both of them. I won't change that for now, but you can get an idea. So you can refuel in flight. Once you don't want those pods anymore, we release pods and oops. Alright. That's the idea. I still implemented the transport vehicles. Okay, so for now you don't have you have, of course, that I think you have. No, you have in the transport blackfish. You can transport these vehicles, but I will later add this feature to this vehicle. Maybe I have. No, I don't. Let me show you something then. Oh yeah, Euron is very fun. Alright, I have here, I have the garage. Okay, let's play it. Here we go. This for instance, I love the blackfish, I cannot pile it properly, so I convert a euro on a blackfish, I guess, or not. Come on. Oh, okay, that's for fun. Let's try the other one. I am the wrong again. Maybe, let's see, I think I am on, this is not up to date. Let's see if happens something here. It should be. Oh yeah. Okay, that's what I'm talking about, right? So we have that stuff here. Now I can pilot. It automatically turns on when you enters, and look, if I click special tow, the vehicles are now where the things are, the containers are on the back. Here we go. Okay, if you don't have containers nearby, it will add these vehicles inside. Let me search you, let me show you. It will go for fuel and also for ammo and also for vehicles. It will get what is closest to you. Okay, activation, right. Oops, forgive me. Oh yeah, let me show you the good stuff in a moment. So, special tow. Where are the vehicles? There they go. Okay, one here, other there, they are both inside. And you buddies can get a ride here as well. Okay, you can go on the other one. These weapons are working perfectly, okay, even with all that crap. Have fun. That's it, guys. I think I covered the most important things for you. Again, download it, copy these files for whatever the place you want. Wanna change whatever you want, is up to you. Have fun. I will try my best in case of any doubts that you guys have, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. So that's it. Remember, take a look whether the files have the correct names, that you have your initial files with the correct names, with the proper path, folder path. Let's say you wanna just throw it in your primary folder, no problem at all, okay? If you want, you can just copy all that crap inside of your main folders, no problem. But remember that for every helicopter and other vehicles that which you use cameras, it will search inside this additional folder named cameras. So take a look at that. There's still some improvements, there are many things still I want to add, but at least you can have fun right now. Okay, have fun.